Hi, Cheryl from Cruising Canadians here. Just wanted to give you a bit of an update on the video that you're about to watch. This was from October 31st, 2023, and we were getting ready to board the Celebrity Beyond for a transatlantic for 15 nights. We had a lot of fun in Rome, as you can tell by our previous videos that we've posted. One of the things, so the theme of this type of cruise was that we also missed our tour in the Colosseum due to my lack of inability to find it on the map, and we must have bypassed it about 10 times. So there's a theme coming to this cruise. As you can tell, when we went to La Spezia, our first port in Rome, we had a tour booked to see Cinque Terre and things like that. It was an all-day tour, but because Joe had a little bit of an upset stomach and the bathroom situations in Italy, we decided that maybe it wasn't a good idea if we left the ship. So anyway, that day was the 31st. It was Halloween. We were excited because there's a Halloween party on the ship at night. So we learned a new game called pickleball. Well, it's not new, but new to us. And so we tried pickleball on the ship. Totally amazing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. It's boarding day, so it actually was the day before. Us boarding the ship, our room tour, as well as some areas around the ship. We also met some celebrities, as you will see. So enjoy the video. Let's go. Here we go. It's cruise day. Here we go. Cruise day. So excited. I feel like Ben and David. Celebrity Beyond. Very with you. This is possibly my most favorite time getting on a cruise ship is when you're on the gangway and you haven't gotten on the ship yet, but you're so close. Possibly the best place ever to stay and swim is in the solarium. Very relaxing, very comfy too. The port of Civitavecchia is approximately about an hour's drive from Rome. So if you are traveling there, please give yourself plenty of time to get there. We hired a car service which really helped us out. stateroom. We were in 7306. One of the things that we did know about this ship, or were surprised to see, is that the ship makes a lot of noise in the hallway. I will post video later on, but as it was very windy, it was very noisy. This is where we are. Nice bathroom compared to the Solstice class. Very nice, Celebrity. There's your controls to work the room. And this is our stateroom, which is really nice. Got a lot of storage. You've got drawers. You've got storage here. You can put your shoes, whatever you want to do in there. Also got a big, huge closet with drawer space there. There's your safe. Things like that. It's not a very big safe, but it'll work. Yeah. Lots of hangers. There's also a mirror as well there, so you can see. Nice little light. Now I was looking for the USB chargers. I don't see anything there. Oh, USB chargers are over on that side. You also have this charging station here, which is kind of cool. Again, lots of closet spaces. This, I believe, is the fridge. And your controls to do the window. And yeah, that's what the infinite veranda looks like. Nice lighting. Nice little couch here, too. You know, Joe can watch TV. He's anxiously awaiting the football games, right?
That's right. That's what I'm looking for.
The football games. Oh, he wants to see the schedule. I don't know if you can hear this, but the wind is like, that is the wind that you're hearing. It's terrible. Yeah, you can. You can. All right. Ciao. Civitavecchia. Or is it Civitavecchia? Civitavecchia. Civitavecchia.
The Magic Pepper's still open, right?
I don't know. We're leaving. We're officially going into the Tyrrhenian Sea.